Hi guys, I am Ambush and today we are going to talk about the negatives of using a cheap flash. So let's see. So first of all, when you are in market to buy a Speedlite or a flash, you will see there is a huge variety of Speedlights which is available. This one is for like 3,000. It retails for 3,000 rupees or maybe $50. And there are very expensive versions of Canon and of Nikons which will cost you around like 40,000, 30,000, something like that. So why there is so much of difference? So let's see. So the first point being, while you are using these Speedlights during any wedding or event, while you are continuously taking images and it needs to emit flash every time that you are clicking, cheap Speedlights have very slow recharge time compared to more expensive ones or the branded ones, which will recharge very quickly because they have like a better quality of capacitor and the filament which can recharge within like milliseconds. But typically these cheap Speedlights take a little bit more time, so you might miss out few important moments, so you need to take care of that. So the next point is, while you're using cheap Speedlights, you will see when you're using these Speedlights very continuously, this filament area will get heated, and expensive Speedlights, they have better heat releasing system in their like the whole system that they have, but cheap Speedlights tend to overheat very quickly, and if you like continue using it, it might burn out, so you need to take care of that. And the third point being, can you hear that? It's build quality. Obviously I have few expensive ones with me which I use always. They have very good rigid build quality, and like couple of them fell off from my jacket while I was carrying around, so they have scars but they didn't broke, so they can take abuse. But these cheap Speedlights, if it falls, like it'll break into half, so you need to take care of that. So build quality is a very big issue. So build quality is an issue, and for obvious reasons. The fourth and the most important point being, because while you're mounting it on your camera, there is a metal to metal contact with your camera. So if there is any short circuit, because while you are triggering a flash, it is releasing a lot of energy, thousands of volts while releasing the light. So if there is any short circuit, the energy will pass on to your camera and it will burn the circuit there. It will burn the sensor. I have read few articles which described how horrific it was, and I hope it doesn't happen to you. So what I do is I use these cheap Speedlights as an off-camera option, or maybe to do a backlit, something like that, while taking photos. So I use these cheap Speedlights there, and on my camera I use a better ones like ETTL version for Canon and ITTL version for Nikon. So you can choose Yongnuo, and if you have that fund or if you are very rich, you can obviously buy the branded ones, the Canon and the Nikons. If you found this video useful, please give this video a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.